became infatuated with your whole appearance. So much that when I talk to you, you never hear it. So much that likes on your Instagram make you happy. But I love you in person, made that the clearest. I know I'm busy, but not too busy for you. If I set the table, I always set it for two. And if I light a candle, I'm trying to set the mood. And if I make a promise, I'm always seeing it through. But you're obsessed with the wrong things. I know we fight, but think you fighting for the wrong team. It's always all me. It's always something that I did or something I didn't do. I feel like I'm in the wrong league. Cause if I ball, then we ball together. But if I fall, then we fall together. But now it's fuck yous, a bunch of whatevers. If you was cold, I wouldn't even give you my sweater.
Mama don't like you, she likes everyone. And I never lied to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on. But now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. Cause if you like the way you look that much, then baby you should go and fuck yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and fuck yourself.
Yeah, I don't need no more fights, long nights in different rooms. You started problems with fam, now we got issues too. I was blinded by the love cause I was into you. While I stayed committed, I know you was with some different dudes. You need attention, I get it, everyone does. I thought that this was something, I guess it never was. So every time you call my phone, I ignore. You don't miss me, you just bored with the world you chose to explore. Vegas for the weekend, LA on a Thursday. How you want me back, huh? Want me in the worst way. You won't get a text on Christmas Eve and your birthday. Can't believe I fell for all your games in the first place. And since you like everything that comes with the fame, I wish you luck, I'm sure that I'll see you another day. You'll probably snag a rapper or a baller in the game, and I'ma walk right by you backstage like,
my mama don't like you, and she likes everyone. And I never liked to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on. Now I know I'm better sleeping alone. Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby you should go and fuck yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and fuck yourself.
I'm tired of this fucking beat. Hey, yo, how many y'all niggas gotta do this beat? I need to kill this fucking panda, man.
Yeah, I'm tired of this fucking panda song. I don't stand alone. I just wanna wrap my fucking hands across. Stab the head and break the fucking panda's jaw. Burn them up and turn the fucking candles on. Choke and beat him, put a couple of hammers on him. Dab on a nigga while I'm standing on him. Kick him, punch him, throw him, make him slam the wall. Time to a cannon, make him cannonball to the ocean, make him suffer too. Nigga, this is fucking animal abuse. Animal cruelty on the fucking news. I'ma kill the panda till he bloody too. I'll make him black and blue for the black and white. I don't fuck with niggas like a pack of dice. Eat the panda, bitch, I got an appetite. I'm out this world, I swear that I'm a satellite. How many rappers gotta try to play me? Tired of hearing niggas on the same beat. Time to kill the panda in my old pajamas. Fly to Atlanta in the same week. What's a panda to a fucking polar bear? A gorilla to a monkey, tiger to a puppy, lion to a kitten, wolf to a pigeon, shark to a fish, a snake to an infant, alligator in a waterway, Jordan Lucas to a dinosaur pet. They ain't know that I'm Tyrannosaurus Rex. Grab the panda rub and rip apart his neck. I ain't doing interviews and autographs. I don't like the way you talking, all of that. I should fuck your bitch and never call it back. I go down in history as an artifact, but I'm tired of this fucking panda song. I just wanna wrap my fucking hands across. Stab their head and break the fucking panda's jaw. Burn them up and turn the fucking candles on. Choke and beat him, put a couple of hammers on him. Dab on a nigga while I'm standing on him. Kick him, hit him, make him slam the wall. Time to a cannon, make him cannonball to the ocean, make him suffer too. Nigga, this is fucking animal abuse. Animal cruelty on the fucking news. I'ma kill the panda till he bloody too. Well, that's a bloody mess, that's a bloody death. Tell them niggas hating on me, suck a dick. I ain't satisfied until I get to smash J-Lo and give her ass a couple kids. I've been on Animal Planet, I got my hands in the fan. I'm a cannon again, and nobody gonna hand me a Grammy. God damn it, I barely don't even wanna hear what they planning. I sit in the pen again, and I blend with the hammer, the man with the planet. You looking at the man in the mirror, the man with the killer, the driller, nigga shit in the building. I hang with the villains, really while I handle my business again, and I get it. I gotta get it, damn it, I did it. I'm out of this commodity, about to be out of the hot of the riding inside of the driver's seat. Lottery. How do we get out of the mind of a prodigy, nigga? All I ever wanted was to hit the lottery, nigga. All eyes on me, and it gotta be, nigga. Swear to God, Tupac could be proud of me, nigga. All I know is a fire burning inside of me, nigga. All I ever could be as real as I gotta be, nigga. But why you all wanna act hard? Where I'm from, me get it poppin' in the backyard. Now everybody wanna run about the back door. Half pussy, half bitch, you a cat dog. Let me see you do the cat daddy on a black caddy. So they got a fat fatty and a flat belly. All she do is laugh, really, get she act petty. I can't pin it to the nigga off a balcony for running his mouth. And y'all done got me mad. I'ma put the panda in a body bag. What you doing around here? Why you standing around? Why you niggas trying to lollygag? You don't got a life and you proud of that? All you wanna know is where the molly at. All you hoes think about is Prada bags. I done killed a panda with designer at, nigga. But this is not a diss, don't call it that. I'm just giving all you pandas hepatitis, cancer, HIV, and a heart attack. All you broke bitches need to call a cab. Cause I ain't... Yo, stop rapping over this goddamn beat, cause I ain't too fond of that. Look, I'm tired of this fucking panda song. I don't stand alone. I just wanna wrap my fucking hands across, stab their head and break the fucking panda's jaw. Burn them up and turn the fucking candles on. Choke and beat him, put a couple of hammers on him. Dab on a nigga while I'm standing on him like... like this.